Hi friends, good evening to all. Okay, related to transformer architecture. Okay, yesterday we had encoder part we discussed, decoder part just we started. Oh, there's a big discussion is there in the back end, ML related. There is a big terminology is there. Mostly tomorrow I will explain. I will provide the clarity. But related to this transformer architecture, there are almost around 10 to 15 small multiple choice questions I took. Just I will explain to you people so that at least one point may be connected. You may get clarity on at least one concept. That's about my main intention. So just have a look once on these questions. Okay, everyone, what is the first question? What is the second? What is the third? Everyone, can you please just type? Okay, can you please type in the chat box what is the answer? Just for every question, 4 options are available. Check your knowledge. Okay, are you ready? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Are
Yes,
you
sir.
ready?
Yes.
Everyone. Only
Yes,
one or
sir.
two members. What about remaining people?
Yes,
Yes,
The
sir.
sir.
people who are
Yes,
in
sir.
sleeping, better to wake up.
Ready.
Yes,
The
sir.
people who are in sleeping, better to wake up. Okay. Here just have a look once. Just for few minutes, please. Okay. So the first question, yeah, with Durga Sir, subscribe our WhatsApp channel. Okay. So https bit.ly/AI with Durga Sir. This is the WhatsApp channel. Is there all questions, all materials, all videos are going to be shared in this WhatsApp channel. Okay. The people who didn't subscribe, better to subscribe for this channel. Okay. If any of your friends are looking for AI, happily you can convey, you can just send them this link so that they will join, they will get some benefit. Okay, so now the first important question for you people. Okay, the first question in transformer diagram. Okay, am I required to keep any explanation about the diagram? Ayo.
No, sir.
No,
We
sir.
done something like research kind of thing. Decoder part I will explain for you people. Don't worry. The decoder part I will explain for you people. Okay, sir. Here, if you consider that, if you consider just there is a diagram already there. Okay, so encoder, decoder, there is a diagram already I shared with you people. Okay, mostly where is the architecture? Yes, transformer architecture. Is it visible for you people, right? Yes, friends.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it visible for you people?
Yes.
Transformer
Yes.
architecture. Oh, we did almost
Yes.
2 hours, 3 hours. We saw only this diagram. Okay. Now, based on this, okay, some important questions. What I am talking. So, in transformer diagram, what is the main job of encoder? Anyone can you please tell what is the job of encoder? Encoder generate output words,
Understand
translate
input
language, understand input sequence, store
sentence.
data. Which one is the correct answer?
C.
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 Huh?
Understand.
See,
Understand.
understand input sentence. So encoder can be used for reading purpose. Decoder can be used for writing purpose. One is a reading room, second one is writing room. Understand input sentence. For that purpose, which thing is going to we are going to use encoder concept. Okay, not required to keep any explanation. Which part generate output word by word? Which part generate
Decoder.
output word by word? Encoder, decoder, embedding, tokenizer. Can you please tell?
Decoder.
Decoder.
Word by is the responsible, decoder is the responsible. The important point, decoder can't generate total output statement at a time. It's always going to generate what? Respond.
Word by
It's
word.
always going to
Word
generate
by
what?
word.
Word by
Word by
word.
word.
Of course, word by word means token by token. That thing must be important. Encoder job is now decoder job. Embedding means, do you know what is the meaning of embedding, friends?
Word to number.
Exactly. Convert word to numbering. That process is by default considered as embedding or vertex embedding, like a vector embedding, like we are going to use.
Valid.
Tokenizer means what? Total input sentence divided into tokens. Okay, this is. But a word by word output generation is going to take care by decoder. Not required to keep any explanation, right? Okay, well. Next, what does masked self attention mean in decoder? what does masked self-attention mean in decoder? Okay, what is the functionality? Masked self-attention, what it's going to do in the decoder? Okay, like hides input sentence, sees only future words, sees only past generated words, removes attention. Among the, what is the main purpose of masked self attention? Anyone can you please tell?
Sees only past generated words.
Sees only past
Past
generated words.
generated words.
Okay, future words is going to be masked so that transformer not going to cheat. Okay, cheating is not going to be happen. So for that it is required. The total 1 hour session we spent only on this masked word only in the last session, but sees only past generated words. Excellent, friend. Excellent. Okay. So, why is attention used in transformer? What is the purpose of attention? What is the
Focus
meaning
on
of
important
attention?
word.
You people should aware. To increase memory size, to focus on important words, to reduce the speed, to remove grammar. Which one is the correct?
B. Focus on important word.
Respond. To
Focus on
focus on
Important
focus on
word.
important words. To focus on
To focus
important
on
words.
important
Excellent.
words.
Okay. Next, what is the role of softmax in the diagram? Okay. What is the role of softmax in the diagram? Okay. Sir, have you remembered, right? Okay. This one, linear and softmax. Linear is the responsible to generate multiple options. Okay. These are the possible, predictable. Okay. Words next token, maybe one of these it's going to generate, but from this one token, best matched token is going to be selected by softmax. Remember carefully, right? Best matched token, okay, is going to be selected by softmax. Okay, this one. So can you please tell, observe very carefully, what is the role of softmax in the diagram? Converts word to numbers, add position information, choose the next best word, stops the model. Which one is the correct answer?
C. Next best word.
Respond. Every person, can you please respond?
Choose
What is the
next
role of
best
softmax
word.
in the diagram?
Choose next best word.
Chooses the next best word. It chooses the next best word. Okay, like
Choose
next,
the next best word.
yeah. Where is self-attention used? Where is self-attention used? Do you know
Decoder.
self-attention concept is going to be used in both encoder and decoder? Remember this one. Of course,
Decoder.
here multi-head attention is there. Here also multi-head attention is there. So self. This one is the self. This one is also self. Only different masked. So where it is going to be used? Where self-attention concept is going to be used? Only in encoder, only in decoder, and both encoder and decoder not used. Where, sir?
Both. It is in both.
Both.
In
Because
both
self-attention is applicable in
encoder and
both.
decoder.
Okay, in both. Next, self-attention in encoder is going to be used for total input sentence. But in decoder, self-attention is going to be used for up to generated tokens. Remember this one. Okay, like next, encoder output is mainly used by which part? Who is going to use encoder output? Tokenizer, input layer, decoder, softmax. Encoder output is mainly used
Decoder.
by which part? Array, encoder output is going to be used by?
Decoder.
Respond. Don't be silent.
Decoder.
Encoder output is mainly used by
Decoder.
decoder. Remember carefully, right? Next, transformer architecture mainly works based on which concept? Mainly transformer architecture mainly works based on which concept? What is the answer we are going to use? Memory, attention, storage, compression. What is this concept? I told heart of transformer. The secret of transformer is attention concept. That's why because of this attention concept only, long statements, okay, long statements can able to recognize it by our transformer, our LLM model. But in the old versions, we are depending on memory. There is no attention mechanism. Because of that, if the length of the input is more, then automatically the output, so confusion will be there. So it won't generate correct proper output. Remember this one, because my model can't understand long sentences. Suppose if any person is asking very long question, then automatically the person who seems to be very long question, I can't understand. Okay, somewhere this video is very viral. Okay, one CM, I'm not sure, one CM in some meeting. Okay, that one foreign journalist, she asked the question, a big question. So he's not in a position to understand. Then automatically what happened is he's going to just smile. Okay, it seems to be very long question. Okay, that's all. No answer for that, because if the if the length of the question is very long, then we are not in a position to remember, right? The same problem is there in the old versions. But luckily in this new version, which concept is there? Attention concept is there in the transformer. Transformer architecture mainly works on based on which concepts are attention concept. Remember carefully, right? Next, which part of the transformer understand input
Encoder.
sequence? Which
Encoder.
part of the
Encoder,
transformer understands input sequence? Decoder, softmax, encoder, tokenizer. Which one?
C. Encoder.
Encoder.
Encoder. Wow, wonderful, man. Okay, which part generate output word by word? Okay, maybe repeated question. Which part generates output word by word?
Decoder.
Decoder.
Decoder. So what does tokenization mean? What does tokenization mean?
Breaking sentence into
Removing
small
words,
parts.
simulating language, breaking sentence into small parts, encrypting text. Which one, son? Breaking sentence into small parts. Okay, this is what tokenization. Next, what is positional encoding needed? Why is positional encoding needed? Positional encoding
word
needed
Word order.
to add color, to store data, to know word order, to reduce the size. Which one, sir?
To know word
To
order.
know
To
word order.
know word order. Wow, excellent, man. What is self-attention? What is self-attention? Attention. What is the meaning of that? So for every word, it is going to compare the remaining words to identify connected words, to identify relationship between the words. For every word, remaining words is going to be connected, is going to be compared. Which word is the connected? Okay. So dog is a very dog is the believable animal. Yes, it is very intelligent. Just observe this. Or its memory power is more. Okay, dog is believable animal. Yes, it's a memory power. It means what? It means what? Dog. Have you observed? It means what? Dog. Okay, it's connected. Okay, it. What is the meaning of that? Is it's going to refer a dog. Something like every word is going to compare with the remaining words. It's going to. Is there any connected word? Is there? Is there any related word? Is there? This mechanism is going to be done by attention. Remember that self-attention. Okay, what is self-attention? Ignoring words,
Each
focusing
word
on
looking
one
at
word,
all other words.
each word
C.
looking at all other words. Okay, for connectivity, for related words, to identify related words. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Respond.
Not clear. sir.
Okay. What is masked self-attention used for? Okay.
C.
What is masked
prevent seeing
self-attention used
future
for?
words.
Hide input, to
future
block
words.
encoder, to prevent seeing future words, to remove output. Which one is the correct answer?
C.
To prevent
Preventing future words.
future words, so that my model is not going to cheat. Cheating is not going to be there. Okay, like wow, wonderful. Multi-head attention means, multi-head, Ravanasura. Multi-head means what is the
Multiple
meaning of that?
attention.
Multiple,
Working together.
multiple heads are there. Every word is trying to find some relationship. Every word trying to find some relationship. Multiple heads are going to work simultaneously. Okay, so that we will get more relationships. So my encoder can understand okay proper the input statement properly. Okay, that's it. So here multiple one attention only, multiple attentions working together, no attention, random attention. Which one is the correct answer?
B. Multiple attention.
Multiple attention
working
working
together. Okay, like next, what is the role of softmax? Already you people aware. Converts text to image, adds position, choose the next word by using probability, stops training. What is the correct?
C. Choose
What is the
next
correct?
word
Word
Choose
using
next
probability.
Next word using probability.
by using
probability.
Probability.
by using probability, because it is depending on probability. That's why the output run to run may be a chance of changing. Okay, exactly. Even same question you asked in the chat GPT every time. So answer, proper answer only we are going to get, but not exact same answer. Correct, right? Internally, there is a big mathematics is going to be happen. ML algorithms are going to work internally. Remember, probability, like statistics, all. Next, do you know this part we didn't discuss, even not required, but anyway, which models are replaced by transformer? Okay, in the olden days, I told right, memory they are going to use, okay, to remember the focus, all these things like, so RNN and LSTM. This part I will discuss for you people, don't worry. Just at least comparison table I will add in the next session, don't worry. RNN and LSTM, these things are going to be replaced by transformer. Transformer is the advanced one. Okay, like next I prepared the answers also. The answers are there. Yeah. Can you please observe carefully, right? Again, in transformer diagram, what is the main job of encoder? Okay, understand input sequence. Encoder job is to understand the input. Okay, like next, which part is generated output word by word? Decoder is the responsible to generate answer step by step, word by word. Next, what does a masked self-attention mean in decoder? Decoder cannot see future words. Decoder cannot see future words. Okay, like masked. Okay, sees only past generated words. Okay, like why is attention used in transformer? Attention helps model focus on important words. Remember carefully. Next, sir, what is the role of softmax in the diagram? Softmax selects the next word by using probability. Next, where is self-attention used? Self-attention is used in both, but decoder uses masked attention. Self-attention is used in both, but decoder uses masked self-attention. Encoder output mainly used which part? Decoder looks encoder output to stay relevant. Next, transformer architecture mainly works based on which concept? Transformer is built on attention mechanism. Next, so which part of transformer understand the input sequence? Encoder understands input meaning. Okay, like next, which part generates output word by word? Decoder is the responsible. What is the tokenization? Sentence is broken into tokens. Next, what is the positional encoding needed? Order of the words is very important. So for that, okay, positional encoding, adding the positional information, okay, to the input is going to be happen. Otherwise, so dog bites a man, man bites a dog, both are same to the transformer. That's why positional information also should be added. Okay. Next, what is masked self-attention used for? Okay, decoder must not see future words. Next, multi-head attention means, okay, many focuses for better understanding. Many heads focuses for better understanding. Okay, what is the role of softmax? Softmax picks the next word. Which model replaced by transformer? Transformer is faster and better than RNN and LSTM. I know immediately you are going to ask what is RNN, LSTM. As of now, just remember these are the old models. Okay, old LLM models. These LLM models are going to be replaced with the transformer concept is the next level. That's all. Okay, so that's what you people should aware. So I'm feeling very happy, friends, because whatever I explained in the last 2 days or 3 days or 4 days, you are in a position to answer almost all the questions. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ayo,
Yes, sir.
respond.
Yes, sir.
Correct,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Everyone in the position to answer almost all the questions. Maybe some point may be missed in my explanation. Now it's very clear for you people. Okay, that's all. That's all for today's 5 minutes. Okay, tomorrow from Hyderabad, I will take the session. Thank you.